Hi folks, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys coming at you today with a case study for a client of ours, an air conditioning services customer located in Brisbane in Australia, which is in Queensland for those of you that are not familiar. Essentially, first of all, the client came to us as they're looking to just drum up some more business and I suppose improve their existing process around lead generation. And with that, of course, comes their representation, how they're viewed online, and how professionally they appear when people go looking for them, and so on and so forth. So they've got some big goals and some big, I suppose, aspirations as to where the business would like to end up. And of course, we needed to sort of design an ecosystem, a digital ecosystem that would help them get to that point. Now, it's important to mention, I suppose, from the onset that from the get-go with this specific client, the goal was never really the website. They're actually one of our early adopters of the Elevation program over at Tradie Web Guys. For you guys that would like more information about that, please head across to tradiewebguys.com.au/elevation and you can read more about that. But essentially, the program is designed to equip businesses with all of the marketing collateral, tools, resources, and initiatives like SEO, Google Ads if needed, things like that, in order to get the business moving in the right direction with some momentum. So the goal from the onset was, as part of the program, we actually rebuilt this website as part of the first month, along with some other things that we set up for them, including an email marketing software. We set up a website bot, which won't be visible on this website yet, but it will once the site goes live. Again, all these little things that a lot of business owners know they need and know they want, but they don't necessarily know where to start. So we kind of take care of all of that for you with the Elevation program, which is super, super cool. Anyway, let's jump in. So I'm just going to run through the website today. Perhaps in another tutorial, we'll be able to go through some of the other things that we've touched on, including website bots. Again, if you want more information about that, you can head across to tradiewebguys.com.au/bots. And there's also a demo which you can view on at bots.tradiewebguys.com.au. So we'll jump into this is their old website. As you can see, it's not the worst I've seen, but it's certainly not the best. With professional representation at the forefront of the brief for this customer, it was important for us that we make sure that come the time we're ready to roll out the marketing, that we've got a really nice converting, well-built, professional-looking website that's going to nurture those customers from becoming a lead into becoming a client. So this it has various pages on there. As you can see, some of the artwork is a little bit interesting. A lot of FAQs, but not a lot of content, I suppose, in the space of search engine optimized content. All in all, it's just quite a dated looking site. It also doesn't look great on mobile devices either. Anyhow, so we've rebuilt this website, as you can see here, on a lovely WordPress platform, which has included all of these essential conversion factors, including opt-in forms above the fold, ways for clients to click to call, links to forms, and more information, so on and so forth. As I say, there is a bot, but the bot won't be live yet as this is still in staging. So once it comes out of staging, there'll be a bot on there as well. But as you can see, the site is just a lovely, clean, professional website, nice artwork, nice icons, nice fresh content. And it's absolutely chalk and cheese from what they currently have. All of the service has been broken out into nice individual pages, again, nicely formatted. This will be expanded on as well. The content on these pages is going to be expanded on as part of their marketing strategy, which is fantastic. And there'll be also things on this website like project galleries and like like a blog and stuff like that, which is part of our SEO program, which you can also find out more about at tradiewebguys.com.au. So as you can see, it's a really nice, clean website. It looks fantastic on mobile. These are all built completely mobile responsive. It'll be certainly the goal for this client is to have the website targeting, their location and try and help them stand out within, that greater Brisbane area, which is quite a large area. It's a relatively competitive space as well. These guys have been around quite a long time, which certainly works in their advantage. However, there's regardless, without trying to compete in that space without having assets like this created is you're always on the back foot. Anyway, so yeah, this is a absolutely chalk and cheese overhaul of what they've currently got from this, as I'm sure you'll agree. And this is just another day for Tradie Web Guys. We do dozens and dozens and dozens of these. We pump these out regularly for all types of trade businesses, both air conditioning specialists, plumbing businesses, electricians, builders, landscape gardeners, and everything in between. So if you have a trade business and you're looking at, I suppose, improving the presence that you currently have online, and you're looking at maybe looking more professional, engaging customers or re-engaging customers or anything along those lines, we can certainly help. So all you need to do is head across to tradiewebguys.com.au, fill in one of the contact forms there, and someone will get back to you in relation to how, having a discussion about what solutions might help you get to where you want your business to head. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.